In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a file upload question with SurveyMonkey. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head on over to the SurveyMonkey website. Once you're there, take a moment to locate the login button, which should be easy to find towards the top of the page. Clicking this will bring you to the login page, allowing you to access your account. Now you might see several sign-in options. For many users, the Google login option will be the most convenient. Simply click on the Google button and select the account you wish to use. This step connects your Google account with your SurveyMonkey account, simplifying the sign-in process and getting you logged in quickly. After you've logged in successfully, navigate to the SurveyMonkey design interface. This is where all the magic happens. Once there, you'll notice a variety of options, but for this tutorial, click on Build. Keep in mind, if you're not a premium account holder, you won't be able to access the file upload feature, so make sure your subscription level is adequate before proceeding. Next up is adding the file upload feature itself. Look for the option that allows you to add this to your survey. Clicking this will integrate the feature into your current survey blueprint. This is a great opportunity to think about what question you want your respondents to answer with a file upload. Enter your question in the field provided, tailoring it to your survey's needs. Once your question is in place, consider what types of files you'll need from your respondents. SurveyMonkey gives you the flexibility to select which file types you want to accept. Common options include documents, images, and PDFs, but make sure to select ones that align with your question's requirements. For added clarity, create a validation message. This message will guide respondents, letting them know if their upload didn't meet the requirements and offering a bit of assistance on how to correct it. It's a small addition but can significantly improve the user experience. Continuing on, click on Options to fine-tune further settings. This is where you can decide whether the file upload question should be mandatory. If it's crucial for your survey's data collection, select Require an answer to this question. This ensures that respondents provide the necessary files before submission. Last but not least, remember to click Save. This will finalize your changes and ensure all your hard work is preserved. With that, you've successfully added a file upload question to your SurveyMonkey survey, enhancing your ability to gather all types of data directly from your participants.